What are the responsibilities of a cabin crew member? First, handling various emergency situations by following established procedures and protocols. Second, ensuring passengers are safe and comfortable throughout the flight. Third, maintaining professionalism, immaculate grooming to uphold the brand reputation as to represent the airline positively. Fourth, conducting safety and security checks, pre flight demonstrations, safety briefings, and monitoring the cabin. Fifth, staying up to date on safety, security, first aid, and service product knowledge to effectively handle any situation during the flight. 6. Providing excellent customer service by assisting passengers with their needs, including meals, as beverages service, and addressing their concerns.